In this video, I will show you how to make these roofs with an overhanging roof line and these pillars that hold up the porch roof as well. So if you go over here, I'm going to just draw up a rectangle, push it upward, and I'm going to show you how to do that overhanging roof line. So we're going to do the offset button or F on your keyboard. Click 8 inches, enter, or just clicking A. And then you're going to find the center point, go up, make sure you're on your blue axes. And then we're going to go up probably about 4 feet. Go down on each corner, erase this line here. We're going to push pull this inward, click Control so we can drag it to the back. And then we are going to offset our roof by 8 inches. And you can see too that this trim goes straight down. So there's this line here. So we're just going to, instead of going down or on a slant, we're simply just going to go straight across like this. We're going to push the roof out about 4 inches. We're going to push this back about 8 inches. And then you'll have your extended roof line, just kind of like how it is out here. At this extended roof line, your white trim is meeting it right at the corner there, and then this part goes in. Very simple. If you wanted to, you can extend this out a little bit more than 4 inches, so you could do another 4, so it's a even 8 too. And then you just fill it in with your colors. You have your roof line. And then how to do the pillars shown here on the front porch. So if we go over here, looks like we have this square base and then it's rounded at the top. So all you have to do for that is simply measure out a 1 by 1 base. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 1 foot, 1 foot all the way around, and then match up on all sides. And then I'm going to raise this up probably about 3 inches. And then I'm going to find the center point of this. So I'm going to draw a line on each side, well, just down the middle actually. And then I'm going to click C for circle on my keyboard, find that center point. And then I'm just going to draw a circle. And this is all just guesstimating, just so it's a representation of the pillar on the front porch for this house. So I'm going to say it's about this big of a circle pillar, and then you just push pull up until you're at the roof line, and that is how you make those pillars. And then another thing I did was I made it a group. So then when I had to copy it and bring it to all other sides of the front porch, I was able to do so, making sure that they're on the axes and lining up accordingly. And how I do that is simply by clicking on the item I want to copy, clicking M on my keyboard, clicking Control, and then clicking the component, and then I have made a copy. And before I click anything else, if I want to make 4 copies of something, I'm going to click 5X, and then I have 5 copies of it. If I want to change that number to maybe 8, I'll do 8X, and then it just does it. If I want to shorten it again and just do maybe 2, I'll do 3X. Then I have 2 more copies of this copy here. But if I click and then I start typing in a number for X, then it won't do it. You have to make sure that when you are copying something, you click the M button on your keyboard, click Control, and then click how many copies you want of it. Another thing too is, let's say you did want to move something and you accidentally clicked Control and now you're making copy. All you have to do is just click Control again, and then you're not making a copy of something. If you click Control, that is your decipher if you want to make a copy or not.